learn from your examples and so on. Can you tell me, is this the highest common factor or lowest common multiple question? Yes. Highest common factor. Am I right? It cannot be LCM now because then we'll find the other way. Sorry. Correct. Okay. Can all of you take out your calculator? Do for me when I'm stuck. Now you got to double check. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes. So 140 is 2 squared times 5 times 7. Okay, 168. I'm going to do 168. 2. Nothing quick. 84. 84. Okay. 2. 1, 2. 2. 21. 3. 7. 7. 1. So what's 168? 2 cubed times 3 times 7. Right? What is that? 70 divided by 3. Use your calculator. So you must look at the calculator in the factor. 70 is a given number. Of course, you got by 2 first. Right? Next one. Divide by 2. Focus. 105. 3. 35. Good. 5. 7. 1. Okay, so 210 is 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. Correct? Now, I don't need you to copy this one because I know you know how to do. Remember to say that. Can you copy these 3 private examinations down to your notebook? Notebook. I want to go, right? No need to show me the private examination, but in exam or test you must show off. Understand? Can or cannot? Cannot? Okay. I better write here so that I can do the working faster. Okay. I told you in the video, right? Highest common factor means all must have, right? All must have, right? Okay, look at 2. I must take what? Just 2, right? Correct. Okay, just take 2. Can I take 3? I cannot take 3. Can I take 5?
Yes.
Yes, sir. No, because second one don't have. Can I take 7? Yes. So what's the highest common factor? 14. What did the question ask you? What is the greatest possible length, right? So yes. So therefore, greatest possible length will be 14 cm. You must have the units. Is that clear? Copy down into the notebook. Don't just stare at the board because I'm going to print off very soon. Okay, I don't really be waiting one. I don't have wait time one. I'm very fast one. Got it? Okay? Okay. Look at part 2. What did they say? How many smaller pieces of rope can she cut all together, right? Now, I know a lot of you will do this. Later I'll show you another method. Will that be okay? Okay, number part 2. This is part 1. Number of pieces. You will take 140 divided by 40, right? Alright now. The first piece of rope will give you this number, right? Now about the second piece. 168 divided by 40, right? What about the next one? 210 divided by 40. So this will be what? 10 plus what? Huh? 12 plus? Huh? 1, 5. Okay. All together? 37. So I will get almost. I will get 37 pieces. Okay. Now, I'm going to tell you what are essential working with exam. Okay. Now, first, for this part 2, right? You take down first. And you must know how to write fast. Okay. right? Do you agree that the essential step is actually this one? Then actually you don't need to show me this one, you can get from the calculator, right? Just press the calculator will come out. You must show me this step, I will tell you how to get that. You actually don't have to write this. You skip down to 27 can. But you cannot straight away give me 37. Because you need to show me the working. Do you understand? This is called essential working. Do you understand? Like HCF, you cannot just say 40. You must show me 2 times 7 like that. But I know you don't know how to do it. Understand what I'm talking about? Okay, now then I said I can show you another way, right? Of doing this, right? Without doing the divide. Now, of course, if you know how to divide, it's okay, it's fine. It doesn't matter. I think everybody understands this method. Alright. It's the next method that's of a higher level that I want you to know. Okay, now, all of you get 140. Can you see 2 and 7 will give me 14? So this one will give me 10 pieces. Can you see? Okay? 2 and 7 will give me 14. This one will give me what? 12 pieces. Can you see? This one 2 and 7 will give me 14. This one will give me 15 pieces straight away. Woo! It's not miracle. It's the same. Because I divide now, so I cancel, I'll get the answer. Then how do you present? You cannot say like that. You will say this one becomes what? You will left with 2 times 5, right? First one? Then plus what? 2 squared times 3, right? Then what? 3 times 5. Then can you see I get the same thing? Can you see? You know why I want to show you this? You are already in set 1. You know every time when you do the primary school method, you must go to higher level also. You know what you say that? Can you understand now? Can you understand now? That's why I left it here for you to see. Are you okay? Even if you divide, it's still the same answer. It doesn't change because they are vectors. Everybody okay? Now, then I want to ask a question. Do you find my videos useful? If it's not useful, then I will forget about it. Because it's very tiring to upload. So do you want me to upload it? So that you can revise for your exam and so on? Yes, because those people who reach set 4, right? They are still looking at the videos. You eat a can, you can also, but don't sleep while watching my video. It makes my video very boring. Understand what that's all that? So are we okay now? Are we clear about this? In this particular question, what I need you to do is you must know how to present how I introduce to you this new thing. Actually, it's not new, it's from there. It's something that you might miss out. Okay, now next, let's look at question 21. Okay, let's look at question 21. Alright? Sweets, page 26, if you don't know what I'm talking about. Sweets are sold in packets of 120, while mini chocolate bars are sold in packs of 80. Page 26, question 21. I said to try in your notebook, right? Okay? But I'm going to go through anyway because I'm worried that you can't do it. Okay? And your presentation, cannot be like sheet after how you ask. Okay? Sheet will only go to the toilet. Okay. All of you look up here. First of all, they say sweets are sold in packets of 120. So we have sweets. 1 packet of 120, right? Okay. What about the chocolate? Chocolate will be? Good. Will be 18, right? What did the question say? Simply bought the same number of sweets as mini chocolate bars. Do you agree that this question is talking about LCM?
Yes.
Correct. Okay. Now, so 120. I divide by 2, 60. 2, 30. 2, 15, 3, 5, and 5, 1. 18 is very easy. I'll say the 2. It's 2 times 3 squared straight away. Because 2 times 9, so 2 times 3 squared, correct? What to do also can, but you must write down. Okay? So, do you agree that 120 is 2 to the power of 3 times 3 times 5? 18 is 2 times 3 squared, right? Correct? Okay. Just now you told me I must find LCM, right? What is it LCM? Because he must buy the same number of sweets and chocolates. Okay, it must be the same number. It can't be highest common factor, then you buy lesser than the thing. Agree with what I'm talking about? So you got to reason it out with yourself. Do you agree that highest common factor must be less than or equal to the numbers? Correct? Lowest common multiple must be equal to or more than the numbers, right? If not, it cannot be. I've said it in the video also. Okay, alright now. What is the LCM? If I say LCM is the more the merrier, correct? So 2 power what? 3. 3 power 2 and what? 5. All of you keep calculator for this? 360. That means I must buy 360 sweets and 360 chocolates, right? Then you have the same number. You agree? Okay, then the question says, find the least number of packs of sweets that you could have bought. Will be 360 divided by 120, right? So how many packets? 3 packets, right? Correct? Yes or no? Yes. What's the question, Jenny? Okay. Let me just tell you something, okay? What I'm giving you is the most efficient and effective way. If another way to do it, by all means. In exam, as long as the method is logical, I will give the answer. I will give the answer now. But it must be logical first. You cannot tell me nonsense that I will not give you the marks. Okay? Understand? And if the question says use point factorization, you must use point factorization. You cannot don't use. Because you have defined the order. Understand? Okay? Alright, so let me just ask you. If the question says how many packets of chocolate must I buy, then how? 360 divided by what? 80. How much is that? Oh, wait, divide for me. Is it 20? So she must buy 20 packets of chocolates. That's correct. Are you clear now? Are you clear now? Yes or no? Yes, okay. So, yes? Yeah? LCM is the more the better. 2 and 2, 3, you must take 2, 3. The bigger one. 3 and 3, 2, you must take 2, 2. Pick the biggest one. This one, no time, this one, also must take. That's the meaning of the more the merrier. Okay? Then, okay, next question. Question 23. All of you look at question 22. Okay? Okay. Let's look at question 23. All keep quiet. Kumar wishes to cut the biggest possible squares from a rectangular sheet of paper without any leftover paper. The sheet of paper has a length of 65 cm and a breadth of 50 cm. That means I have a piece of paper, 65 cm and 50 cm. I must cut what? Square. What do you mean by square? Square is length and breadth are the same. Okay? Alright. Then without any leftover, that means you cannot have extra. Okay? So what is the length of each square? How many of you agree here? This is the highest common factor question. Do you agree it's the highest common factor question? Yes? Yes, okay. Now, 65. How to do it? Very big 5. 5 and what? 13. Both of prime numbers in M, right? That's all. 50. 2, right? 2, 25, 5, 5, 5, 1, right? Okay. I'm going to write down, 65 is 3 times 13, 0. 5 times 13, 0. Okay? Okay? 50 is what? 2 times 5 squared. I'm looking for what? HCF, right? Highest common factor. Highest common factor means you take the the least, but most of both must have. 5 can take it out. Okay, because it's not 5 square, so I just take 5 right. 30 can take it out. Cannot. 2 can take it out. No, so only 5 now. Can you see? So, what did the question say? What is the length of each square? Will be 5 cm, right? Agree, class? You can cut 5 cm. Okay. Now, you know there is a middle watch here. Did you watch my video? How to get highest common factor? Then just now I say which question you don't know, you don't listen. You don't listen at all. Highest common factor is both must have. 5, these two have, right? You take the smaller one. LCM you take the bigger one. Highest common factor is take the smaller one. 2 cannot take, why? Because this one don't have. 30 cannot take, why? Because this one don't have. This one is common. Highest common factor. Okay, I repeat that. Highest common factor is you take both must have and you take the lower one. LCM is no need both must have, both have you must take and you must take the maximum. Everybody clear? This is what I say. Alright? Now if you cannot understand what I'm saying now, right, go back and look at the SLS again. Understand? Because I don't do it yesterday. My due date is on Sunday. I give you time. Understand? In case you don't understand, you go back and read again. Is that clear? Okay, so you don't go back and read again. Clear? Okay, now, so each square is 5 cm. So what did they say? How many squares can we cut all together? Now, can you tell me how many squares on this side I can cut? 65 divided by 5, right? Okay. How many squares can I cut here? 50 divided by 5, right? Okay. If I divide by 5, I have what? 13. If I divide by 5, what do I have? 10, right? So, number of squares will be 13 times 10. So, how much is that? 130. Are we clear now? Are we clear now? Now, when I say you don't understand the raise hand, you must raise right up. You don't like that, you must. So you follow. And don't raise your finger. Also cannot see. I don't know whether you're thinking of nose or not. Do you understand? Huh? Okay? Now I repeat now. Those who do not understand must go back and look at the SLS again. Is that understood? Yes or no? Okay. Then next, because you know why? When I do the questions on the full step paper, I'm actually revising what I've done on SLS. Okay, so that's why I want to do a double thing so that it's faster. Okay, alright. What's the number on the contact page now? Is it number 3? Now that I write, is it number 3? Yes, okay. Everybody write down number 3. Write down today's date. Take out a piece of foolscap paper. I should not write foolscap here. Later you write down the title as foolscap. People very terrible. Some people write your name as a title. What is title? This is the title. This is the date. Everybody pick up foolscap. Fill out the contact page first. Then you write down. I'm going to teach you how to do your working. Monday come, I will ask which one can I do. Then I will do it on the board. I say everything. More than 5 then I will do. Less than 5 you will find out how to do. Cannot do, come and find me. Understand? If I catch you copying or throw it, what you do again? Okay. Now you do this by the side. Understand? Don't clash everything together. Okay? Then you write 1, 2, 6. In prime factors you write 2 times 3 square times 7. What about 2, 4, 0? 2 power what? 4 times 3 times 5, right? Look at the question again. What's the name? Highest common factor. Highest common factor means what? Both must have. And the lower one. Okay. Can I take 2, 4? No. I can take what? 2. Can I take 3? Or 3, 2? 3. Okay. What else can I take? Nothing. So what is 2 times 3? 6. So the highest common factor is 6. This is the way you present. Is that understood? Okay, copy down. 1C. Now copy down. Don't wait for Christmas. Sing the song. Come on, wait for the song. Next question. I'm going to give you time for this, okay? After you copy 1C, you go on to your own method. Yes. You can do it. This method, when it comes to the one that because when you don't what you don't experience, that's my concern. I'm okay. Alright. Now, Don't just draw like that. Because some people I put dot, they also put dot. I tell you, I think I'm going to marker and dot your face. You understand? What's the answer? Do you get 12? You get 6, better double check. Is it 12? Okay. Next one. Number 3. Find the highest common factor of each of the following sets of numbers. I want 3C. Now, first I need to know this. What if I have 3 numbers? What must we do? It must be common for all 3, and we take the lowest. Is that clear? It's the highest common factor. Okay? Alright. Do the prime factorization. Okay? Then you write highest common factor as well. Present it this way. Don't give me nonsense. They will not, but if they specify prime factorization, Huh? 5C, 5F, 13728. Are we clear now? Are we clear now on the presentation and so on? Now then I need to ask, what if I have three numbers? That's also the same thing, right? I must take all and take the biggest. Everybody clear now? Everybody clear now? Okay, Alright. Now,